Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this channel. Hope you are good. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be sharing another amazing stuff. I don't want to talk about it now, guys, because I am so happy and excited to do this. Why? Because um recently a lot of people have been reacting to my videos, coming to my DM, saying thank you, sending messages and all that. I don't want to start talking much about what I got in my DM messages, but you can check the comment section. You are going to see that a lot of people are gaining or getting value from the previous videos and stuffs I teach here on YouTube for free of charge. What you do pay for is what I'm giving out free. All right, so today I'm going to be exposing another trading secret to you guys. This one is for everybody, whether you're a scalper, day trader, swing trader, in fact anything, as long as you're a trader. All right, as long as you're a trader, this particular tip, this particular secret is going to change a lot of things in your trading, right? Believe me, if this thing I'm going to expose didn't give you any value, I want you to give this this video a thumbs down. Leave a bad comment. No, I always tell you leave a good comment, but this one, I'm asking you to leave a bad comment if this thing is not something that is mind blowing, right? Okay, so if you are also a returning subscriber, I appreciate your presence here. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to start liking and sharing and also leaving a comment, whether good or bad. I appreciate. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing something very important about trend, right? So a lot of people here, most of us claim to be trend traders, right? We trade with the trend, we move with the trend. The trend is our friends and friend and all that. Right? So yes, no argument, right? So today I'm going to be sharing something you might not know about trend, right? So that if you love taking advantage of trend, you won't be making early entries. You won't be making mistakes with your entries and with your speculation or forecasting. Or in fact, once you understand what I'm going to share today about trend, I think you have to you have already hit the ground running already. So you don't have to you know check a lot of things anymore. Okay, so first, how I do it. I'll just sketch, give you like sketching of what we are about to learn, then we use the chart to complete it. Okay, so first, we all know trend. When the price is trending, okay, the price is either trending to the upside or the price is trending maybe to the downside, right? So, and we all know that the price doesn't just move all the way to the upside this way or all the way to the downside. Rather, the price moves in swings, right? As the price is pushing to the upside or to the downside, the price moves in swing, which is the what is popularly known as the impulsive moves and the pullbacks, right? Or I refer to it when the price is resting, right? So now the question is, how do we know? Because any trader, in fact, the whole work or the job of a trader is just to know two things, right? As a trader, you just want to know two things. The first one is to know trend, okay, trend continuation. You want to know if this particular chart you are looking at, is it going to continue the direction it's the chart the price is currently moving. Let's say if you look here, the price is pushing up, so you might be asking, is this price going to continue pushing to the upside? You just want to see or understand if the trend will continue in a certain direction, right? The second thing is trend reversal. So this is the major. There's nothing again that we are doing here. We all these strategies in the whole world on YouTube, in courses that they are selling, the free courses, everything revolves around these two things, nothing else, right? You want to know whether you are a fundamental trader or a technical trader, you use indicators, you use anything at all. These are the two things you are looking for. You want to know if the price will continue to the upside or to the downside so that you follow the price, or if the price is reversing, right? So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to confirm trend reversal. This is very important, right? Because if you understand when the price have reversed, right, you'll be able to take advantage of the trend on time. You won't be jumping into a moving train. You will rather join the trend on time and you enjoy. Okay, So first of all, when the price is pushing to the upside, we say the price is trending to the upside, right? Then you can actually draw your trend line to connect some swings. Okay, then if the price is also trending to the downside, the same thing will happen. The reverse is the case. Now the question is, how do I know that this price is now changing? Remember, at a point the price reversed and was like pushing to the downside at this point. So many people are going to start also selling here, thinking, oh, the price have reversed, the price have moved for a very long time. Or when the price is also pushing this way, some people are going to still enter the trade. So also when the price is also pushing like this, some people are still going to enter to sell, and the price will still keep going, right? So look at the common mistake a lot of people do. So this thing, I'm exposing a lot of like secrets to you guys now. So if the price is pushing to the upside this way, okay, now if the price is pushing to the upside, so what you have to do, that's the usual thing everybody do, you connect this, okay, with a diagonal line to the upside, right? And we say that this is a trend line, right? This becomes a trend line. Okay, so what people do, the usual or the common approach is that people are looking at the trend line. Once the price, for instance, if the price started to push to the downside, okay, people are waiting, okay, the price might reverse. Now if the price closes below the trend line, people will start selling. Wow, this is a change of trend, the price have changed, so it's time for us to start, selling. Now they start looking for selling setups. Okay, then many people are going to enter their sell at this zone. The price might push a bit to the downside, and at the end of the day the price will just boom to the upside. The whole stop loss cleared, and the price their whole trade will be closed in loss, right? And the price will continue pushing to the upside. It's funny when you see some people say, oh, the price have been moving to the upside for past 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, or even 1 year. I think it's time for the price to reverse. The price is overbought. There is nothing like the price. The price can keep buying and buying and buying and buying, no matter what you are seeing, right? So there are a few things you need to know to confirm trend reversal. When price is reversing, you need to confirm this trend reversal. You don't want to be caught in this kind of fake outs, right? So using trend line break, most time those things fail. I'm not saying that you are definitely not going to get maybe a better entry using trend line 1 or 2 times, but a lot of times you are going to be getting fake outs using trend line, right? So how do you now do this? Instead of just drawing a trend line, or maybe some people will just, okay, I'm waiting for a reversal pattern. Then look at another common way, the price pushing up, then someone is waiting for a reversal pattern, the price form maybe double top, and boom, at this point people will start making entry and say, wow, this is M pattern, the price is going to reverse at this zone, let's start maybe selling. So at this point people will start selling using any entry strategy, maybe candlesticks or anything at all. And at the end of the day, they will be disappointed that this price will form something like double bottom, also W pattern, and reverses to the upside, kick them out. Or you are using head and shoulders pattern too, the price is pushing up, you are waiting, and you see maybe you are waiting for head and shoulders pattern, you have something like this, boom, you say, wow, this is an interesting one, we are going in. At the end of the day, the price will still manipulate and keep going to the upside. So the question is, how do we actually know or confirm a trend reversal? And this is the secret I'm about to share with you right now, guys. So start liking this video, who is ready? Drop I am ready in the comment section. Let me see how many persons who are ready to do this. So it's just like a live section, guys. You guys should drop something. I'm just happy to share these things because these things have been helping me, and today I feel like, oh, let me just keep dropping, because I'm getting good comments, so it motivates me to do this, right? Because these things are things people could sell and start selling to people as course or anything like that, right? But I'm giving you guys this free of charge, so why not just hit the like button? Why not just leave a good comment? Why not share this video, right? So let me share this secret with you. So if the price is pushing to the upside, okay, So at this point, no matter the pattern the price is forming, I am not doing anything. No matter the pattern the price is forming, I am not doing anything, right? Until this is a confirm uptrending market right now, because the price is clearly giving us those higher highs and higher lows, right? So now what I'm waiting for is not the trend line break. I am not waiting for the price to just break my trend line, maybe here, right? So if the price break this trend line and closes below here, I am not still doing anything, right? I'm still not going to be doing anything at all. I am still going to be buying. Even I'm still going to be buying. So people will be selling, oh, the trend line have been broken, I think it's time for us to sell. Guys, don't do this kind of shit. Don't do this kind of mistake, guys. Just pay close attention. Now if you look the sequence or the way the price is pushing up, you can see we are having all these levels, right? These are the levels you are paying attention to, guys. Okay, now you have this, let's say higher low 1, higher low 2, higher low 3, and this is higher low 4, right? So what are you waiting for? You want to see the price simply and clearly. Before you even think of anything, the price should clear the previous swing low. I'm not just clearing it, clear the previous trend swing low. So that means the previous swing low of the previous trend must be cleared by the price before you start thinking of a trend reversal. So even if the price break your trend line, it's nothing, like it's just normal thing that the price does. It could happen, it could be a fake out. So for you to avoid those things, you want the price to clearly push to the downside and clear that swing low. So once the price clears the swing low, the important thing is that the price have cleared the swing low of the previous trend. Guys, I'm going to break this thing down. You are going to understand this in few. Just give me some time, okay? I will explain this in a way you understand. The price have cleared the previous swing low, not just the price clearing swing low. So let me give you another instance here, okay? Let me give you another instance. Now if the price is also pushing to the upside this way, okay, and at this point the price do this, and if you look at this zone, the price can push all the way to the downside, then push up and clear this swing low, right? You can see at this point the price have formed a kind of reversal pattern, which you can refer as double top, okay, then form a new high and also have cleared the previous swing low. You can see what happened right now, okay? So is this actually a trend reversal? No, because this particular low right here that the price cleared is the low of the manipulation we are seeing after double top, right? It is not the low of the previous trend. I don't know whether you guys are getting this. If assuming this high here breaks the previous high, which is this one, okay, you will now refer this as the low of the previous trend. But you can see that this particular current high could not break this high, okay? It could not break this high. So this is just like a signal for a change of a trend. That is a change of trend, but the price have not yet cleared the previous low of the previous trend. The price only clears the low of the current movement, which could be manipulation or change of trend. I am not just calling it change of trend right for now, because it is not established yet, right? So until the price clears this low right here, which is the low of the previous trend, that's the point I will still go again, guys. I know that this is the major point that might confuse a lot of people. Now what I mean is, if the price is pushing up this way, okay, so at this point the price can actually push down and push up, okay, then at this point you can see that this is the previous high, right? The price couldn't break the previous high, and that is a sign of weakness among buyers, right? That is a sign of maybe change of trend, anything like that, but that is not exactly what you need, right? So this is still not a swing low yet, right? This is still not a swing low for the previous trend yet. I don't know how to explain this so that you guys will get this. Now if the price should break above to the upside, this is the point you now have your swing low, right? This swing low is invalid because the high it created could not break the previous high. Rather, this swing low 2 here, let's say this is swing low 1, this is swing low 2, this one is the valid swing low, because the low was able to break after this low. The next movement was able to break the previous high. That's why this particular low 2 becomes the valid swing low, not this one. Okay, but that's not exactly what I'm trying to share. I just want you to, from what I'm explaining now, to get the concept of breaking the previous low of the previous trend. So that means this low at this point, okay, is not actually, if you are counting lows of trend, this is not like the low 1 is still not a good valid low. Okay, so we are taking low 2 as our valid low. So let me just do this again. Okay, that's what I'm taking my time here, so that you get this. Once you get this concept, we are good to go. So this price could not break. Let's say, okay, let's get a new high, then this one couldn't break it to the downside. So now the price breaks this low, but not the previous low. So what we previous low of the previous trend. Now this is the low of the previous trend. Unless the price breaks this low, that is the only time I will start thinking of this price as a change of trend, right? Or if the price gives us a clear movement this way, so, and clears this low, it's just simple. There's no manipulation. This high is higher than this one is higher than this one is higher, so there is no issues with this. I can simply say this is the sign of change of trend, right? But when there is manipulation, that's where people are getting it wrong. Where there is manipulation like this, because the previous low have been broken, they just think, oh, this is a change of trend. The price can just, instead of doing that, we just keep going to the upside. So at this point, it's still not a change of trend yet. There is no signal yet until this low here, okay, which is the low of the previous trend, is cleared. Okay, that's the point you see it as a change of trend. So enough of this, we go to the chart, right? So I'm going to be using 4 hours time frame for this. This is volatility 75. So why I'm doing this is that this is current chart, the price is still moving. You can still observe the chart or the price action from here and check and confirm what I'm explaining. Okay, so now if you look from what we are seeing, the price is actually pushing to the upside. Okay, the price is pushing to the upside. So as the price is pushing, how do we know now that the trend have changed? Okay, if you see with what I'm saying here, we are having kind of change of trend right here. Okay, how do you know that the trend have changed? Now what we have is the price after this whole consolidation here, the price push up, you know, keep giving us this movement. Okay, so at this point the price created something like double top right here. Okay, then what are we interested in? We have this low, we have this low, we have this low, we have this low. Okay, so we are looking at the price breaking our low. Let's say that's low 1 2 3 4. So if the price clears this low 1, is a signal that we are likely the trend is changing, right? Now if you look from what the price did, the price clears this low here. You can see the low right here. The price break out of that low, and the price is currently here. Okay, so what is this price showing us? What are we seeing? This is a signal of change of trend. This is a clear change of trend signal. So if the price should push up, sorry, and retest this high, okay, that's the point we start looking for entry point. We start looking for sell setup at that zone. As long as if the price should retest that high, we start looking for sell setup. So the price must not break this one again. The price have cleared one of the low of the previous trend, because that low is among the previous trend. Okay, is a low in the previous trend. So this one is so simple and clear. So if you see, for instance, when the price was here, people have started thinking, oh, this is a break of trend line, the price is selling. That's not what we are going to be doing. Until the price clears this low, that's the point you start thinking of making entry after a retest. And if you check the lower time frame, the price have retested that zone. Okay, let me just put something there. That's the previous low, right? Okay, the low of the previous trend. So if I go to a lower time frame like 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes, let's use 15 minutes, you can see how the price clearly break and retested that zone, and the price is pushing more to the downside. Okay, so this is like a confirmation of change of trend that we are likely going to be having. We have like 70% of this price pushing to the downside, and maybe because of the forex market we still have 30% remaining that anything can happen at this zone. Anything can happen at this zone. Okay, but we have this 70% that the price is going to be pushing to the downside. So this is the time you now start looking for going to your lower time frame, adding indicators, adding anything you are using to check if maybe the exact point you are going to be making entry, maybe with candlestick pattern, maybe with chart pattern, maybe with indicators, maybe with any concept you are using, other block, anything at all. Now you have confirmed this trend on a higher time frame, and you come to lower time frame and you discover a retest. That's the point to start looking for entry, guys. That's how easy these things are. So you don't just go because you have seen a break of trend line, you enter. That's why people don't believe in trend line. They tell you, oh, trend line, support and resistance, all those things are fake. The truth is that they are not fake. You don't just know where to use them and how to use them. All right, so that's exactly how to confirm change of trend. I've taken my time in the sketch, so I think this example will be able to do that. Okay, clear the whole stuff. So if I decided to go back again, let's see if we can get any example from the previous trend. Okay, so if you look from here, let's say let me zoom out a bit. So if you look from here, the price is trending to the downside, right? Price is down. Okay, so what are we going to be doing? You see that the price created, as the price is pushing to the downside, we have this move. You can, depending on however you are seeing it, I'm just drawing kind of sketch. So now if you look here, we had some, let's say this is a high, have this high here, have this high here, so on and so forth to the upside, right? Then when the price started creating this movement, a lot of people will start thinking, oh, the price have changed, I'm seeing this, I'm seeing that. But that's not the issue. What I'm waiting for is for the price to break at least the first high, which is this high right here. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. So when the price break the first high, I'll just wait for the price to retest it on a lower time frame, and I'm looking for buying opportunity at that zone. Okay, so it's not about trend line, it's not about the price breaking trend line, anything like that. No, it's about the price clearing the previous trend, confirming that movement. Okay, so if you look right here, you still have a kind of the price clearly giving us that uptrending vibe. Okay, so when the price do this, you are simply looking at the swings. It's not just about trend line. Okay, you are simply looking at the swing when the price will clear the previous low, okay, or lows of the previous trend. Then there is another important thing. This one is going to be a bonus tip. Okay, you can see how the price keep dropping. This is going to be a bonus tip to those who have been watching this video today to this level. Okay, now if the price is pushing up, look at what the one that is more effective, guys. Okay, and at a point the price created a reversal pattern like double top. Okay, now after this double top, you simply waiting for the price to clear this low. Okay, not this one, please guys, not this one here, but the previous low of the previous trend. So once the price push here, clears here, that's the point you start making entry. Whether the price retested or not, once it clears the previous low, you start looking for sell setup immediately at that zone. It could come as head and shoulders pattern, the price pushing up. Okay, maybe at this point give head and shoulder, just wait for the price to clear the low of the previous trend. Okay, once it clears the low, you start making your entry. For me, this is the best. but you must not be waiting for a reversal pattern for you to make your entry. If you discover a change of trend without any reversal pattern at the top or at the bottom, depending on whichever direction the price is going, you can still start making your entries. So I don't know if this is clear. If you don't understand very well and you feel like, oh, I need to throw more light on this, you can leave a comment. Let me know. If you got the whole concept and you are good to go, still let me know how you feel, getting these tips for you to start, improving when it comes to your trend analysis, right? How to analyze the trade and also identify the trend, confirm trend reversal, and make a better entry. That's the whole thing. You are looking for a way to make better entries and make money in this field. All right, so guys, that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this video is going to be valuable or invaluable. So anyway, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.